Oh, that's why he couldn't move. That's his back tire. That's the car.
That was exciting.
He broke his axle.
But I thought number 13, Emily Stone, was out. But I'll tell you what, she was not out. She put some fire on it. Got it going. St Hobmier, he did his best to kind of keep things going, but he started out real hot all the way through. He looked at his tailgate. There's a big hole in it. We just don't build cars like we used to. And 006, that's an 06 Cadillac. And 006 got half the car he started. Hey, Karen Lester, if you want to buy your car back, you can take bids on it. All he has to do is tell his buddy. Wouldn't this be a good commercial for that
I'd rather they did.
Rico Insurance. I like to see that little lizard down there now. Geico Insurance. We never walked out of that No, you're not having a day to walk back to the street. Put it off there. That was a great, as we all have been. Now we're going to move in to 8:05.
Girls aren't even running away. Come on.
Last call for the ticket sales on the charity heat. Don't forget, buy the ticket of the guy that you think's going to win. I'm not going to drop any names, but go out and buy a ticket for Doug Wick. Just saying, I just thought I'd just throw that out there. Yeah, I go in a barrel and let a bull beat me up, so this isn't going to be so bad. Looks like we're getting ready for heat number 5. And the cars are starting to roll off the hill. 4-cylinder minis, you can start lining up 4-cylinder minis and make your way down to the lineup. In this heat, we got in car number 9. Jimmy Shilson really. Shilson. Highway 9 Express. Number 31, Victor Homan. Action Towing, Action Taxi, and A&A Salvage. In the 808 car, Murray Evans. His sponsor, Grizzly Targets. Dan Arlack Lawn Care. Adam Lake Custom Capital. And Kevin Harrold, the 71 car, Skyline Collision. And Shelby Closs, Rainbow Ford, JD Mechanical and Consulting. That is the lineup for this week. This is his second car. The Minion, all you kids that like Minion, that's the one to go for, guys and gals. Sherry's just paint job with that car. Look at that. Gotta give him a little bit of a hit over that corner. He's got to do something. Victor Homan. Look at that, being our lawn care. That's the 808 car. Very elegant. Look at that guy go. Look at that. Shelby Cross. That's 2-0. That's number 9 car. Not sure if it's going to get up there or not. Shelby Closs. But, oh, he got it. That's their old car. He pulled his driver in. Either way, over that corner. That's Murray Evans. Dave Closs still going strong in that 0-0 car. With the Minion. Zevon Hobmier. He is the heck out of it. And Shelby Closs has got a 3-4. Going out there. Hurry up. I think he's close to the count. Shelby Closs. He gets much like he did that 808 car, Murray Evans. And that's 71, Kevin Harrold. Shelby Closs. He can still punch the heck out of it. Shelby's moved up the front corner. I think he has to go back into the rewind. It's still alive. It's one man. Brings it on. Around a little bit, that Minion car. Shelby Closs, that's 0-0. 808, Murray Evans. He is still trying to get things organized and at least keep that thing going. part, he is chasing them around. Now Murray Evans has got to try to get some fire back up on his hood. Just in time. That 808 Murray Evans. Kevin Harrold trying to get the gear. I'm not sure if that's going to happen or not. They're trying. Gives them a little bit of a fight. Shelby Closs, double zero car. 808. Murray Evans still going. Off of his. Couple of races to put back. Got one door being Murray Evans still looking for him. Shelby Closs is saying, nope, you don't get me. In your face, Bucko. Now he's got something right in. He's still alive. Good ball. Shelby Closs. Murray Evans. Shelby Closs, again, these guys have got over 20 years experience. Now he's coming back to find him. Murray Evans. There he comes. Shelby Closs, now he's trying to line up and kind of come around the corner and tag him. And he got him. Murray Evans is trying to get that good spot to hopefully triple the front end of Shelby's car. Just needs to take him out the exit. Shelby Cross has a direct hit. Murray Evans. Even Shelby, believe it or not, is still going strong. Every other tire is done fucking. Oh, he might be still going. But we'll see if Murray Evans can put some fire under it. He's got to make it happen. He gives him that little bump top. Murray Evans, I'm not sure if he'll get enough fire. But Shelby Closs is still going in the minion car. The 00. He is going to make sure he is out for the count, but it didn't work. Murray Evans is still going. And so is Shelby. Not sure how, but he is still going. As much damage as that front end as he can do. Seeing how the 808 looks like in this fight, he's still going. Murray Evans, I'll tell you what, he's a tough contender. These two pulled off and he was 18 years done. Shelby's still going. Shelby's still steering now. Yeah, see over top of the hood. Shelby is still moving around. There he is. North and southbound. He is still pounding that Trojan horse. He's driving. Not Shelby Closs. There he is. Coming up to the finish. See if there he is. Get some fire on that, but I'll tell you what. Oh, look at that. Go fast, Murray. Go fast. Shelby is still giving him a bother. He is not going to call him quits. First place Kolby. able to move that much further. Shelby Closs takes the first place spot on that. Second place goes to Murray Evans. Sponsored by, for the first place, Rocky Co-op. Second place goes to, and sponsored by Hitch and Go. Wow. What do you think of that one, everybody? That was the Trojan horse like crazy. Don't forget, the cutoff for the 50-50 tickets is going to be coming up here real quick. Now's a good time for that celebrity heat. And put some money down on who you might think might win. Well, what a great afternoon. I can't believe I volunteered for this. But the same thing though, I can't think of a better place or a better reason to put myself in one of them cars. And Christine's up here snickering away to herself. That makes me nervous. I think she knows something that I don't. I got Deanna up here. How about if we give her a big round of applause? She looks after all the advertising and all the stuff, sponsorship. Great job, Deanna. And you guys are great audience. Now this is a question for all of the audience. Kids, you can vote on this too. How many people, with a round of applause, think should get the car should get the best dressed award? Oh, there we go. Thank you, everybody. What do you think, Ernie? Shelby Closs won the best dressed award as well. The best decorated car. Minions are kind of the thing. Every time I go to MacDonald's now, I expect someone to change the board when they're ordering stuff. Okay, I got something for everybody to kind of keep going here. You can do this standing, sit, don't care. You can do whatever, sort of a class participation thing.